Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Right, so basically you have to do one thing. You have to do just go to the Play Store. On the search bar, you have to search Snapchat and tap on it. Now you can see that Snapchat has been opened. So basically just open it. And if you find any update in the Play Shop open, just update the app. Now updating it will definitely fix a problem. If you get a chance to enroll in beta program, make sure that you enroll it. In this way you will get the next features of Snapchat. Now if this fix a problem, then it's great, but if does not, then just go to the setting of your phone and here you have to scroll down and tap on apps. After that, tap on manage apps. Here you have to search Snapchat and tap on it. You have to tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache. From pop-up, select OK. After clearing the cache, it may fix a problem. If it does not, then you have to clear the data. So after that, tap on storage. It may fix a problem, but if it does not, then you have to clear the data, which is the bottom. So clear the data will delete all unnecessary files which is present in your mobile application in the Snapchat, and it will definitely fix your problem. That's it guys. If you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in next video. Thank you.